Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Saint-Leonard, local and long-distance movers near me. In order to ensure a seamless and long-distance move, it's important to plan ahead. Weight-related costs can be reduced by getting rid of things that are no longer important to you. Delicate or pricey items may require particular packing and handling. 3 Movers can assist you in the planning process by providing one of our professional evaluators. As vital as preparing is obtaining a price quote, in both cases, we can assist you if you contact us. You'll receive support during the entire procedure, as well as precise estimates for the cost. A smaller distance between your old place and your new one directly translates to a lower cost. 3 Movers can help you determine the best route to travel and provide you with the price estimate based on the size of your household items to make things even easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Leonard moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.